Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the Caesars Casino game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Caesars Casino game on your device and you will be taken into the home page. Now, once you are in the home page, if you wish to change your email address, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and this will open up the menu section. Click on My Profile and you will be taken into your profile page. Just tap on the edit button alongside your profile picture and now you will be able to edit your profile. Underneath your profile avatar, you will also find your email address section. Just tap on the email address if you wish to change it and you will simply need to type in your preferred email address. Just type in your preferred email address and then tap on the done button and you will be asked to check your inbox in order to finalize your confirmation. So just check your inbox and you will find the confirmation link which you can tap on in order to receive daily rewards and also in order to change or link your email account. And now your email address has successfully been changed on the Caesars Casino game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on the Caesars Casino game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.